So guys, for the first method, once you're on Google Chrome, you're going to click on the three dots in the top right, and then you're going to scroll down and click on settings. And now in the search settings, we're going to search for graphics acceleration. And now we're going to be getting an option that's called use graphics acceleration when available. You're going to turn this off, and now you're going to click on relaunch. See if that fixes the problem for you. Now for the second method, you're going to click on the three dots again in the top right, scroll down and then click on settings. And now on the very left, you're going to scroll down and then click on About Chrome, and it's going to check if your Chrome is up to date. If it's not up to date, then it's going to automatically update it for you. Then you just want to close out of Chrome again and then open it back up. See if that fixes the problem. If the problem is still not fixed, you want to click on the three dots on the top right again, and then click on extensions, and then click on manage extensions. If you have any extensions that you previously installed that you think may be causing a problem, you either want to disable it or remove it. And now for the last method, you want to click on the three dots on the top right of Chrome, and then click on settings again. Once you're on this, you want to scroll down on the left hand side, and then click on reset settings, and then click on restore settings to their original defaults. And then you want to click on reset settings. Now you should relaunch Chrome again, and then the problem should be fixed.